What if I told you your next trade could win you more than just profit? Right now, on BTCC, traders are competing for a massive reward pool, and you don't need to be a whale to get a piece of it. Here's the catch. It's not just about how much you trade. This campaign rewards both trading volume and profit performance, meaning even smaller accounts can climb the leaderboard if they trade smart. So whether you go big or you go precise, you still have a real shot at winning. And the rewards aren't small. We're talking about USDT bonuses, crypto rewards, and exclusive prizes, all just for doing what you already do, trading. Getting started is simple. Sign up, join the campaign, and start trading futures on BTCC. Your performance is tracked automatically, and the more you trade, or the better you perform, the more you can earn. But here's the thing. Campaigns like this don't last long, and once it's over, the rewards are gone. So if you're already trading, this is free upside. And if you're not, this might be the best time to start. Hit the link in the description, join the campaign, and see how much your trades can really be worth. Because this time, trading isn't just about profit, it's about winning